Heyo, it's Mr. Otwell, the Math Master, helping you master math. And today we will be mastering not math, but closed captions popping up right down there whenever you're sharing your screen. This will work for Zoom or really any other video conference software. So let's do this. So the first thing we want to do is click on share screen. Now we need to share the desktop. Sharing only one application won't work. So make sure that your desktop is nice and neat. You don't have all these random applications that you don't need open, nothing distracting, all that good stuff. So share desktop. Then you just need to pull up any slideshow. So this is the last slideshow that I did for my students. We talked about personal finances. So you click present here and it brings you to your presentation, but you want to click this button here, exit full screen, because that allows you to move this window around and it allows you to open other windows. But the key thing here is, hey, click that closed captions. I don't know if you knew this, but any Google Slides presentation already has the function of closed captions built in. So this is really nice. It doesn't even matter what your presentation is, because now you can choose any other application you need to work on, but keep an eye on what your students can see down here. So you want to make sure that you resize your windows, make sure that they can see all of the closed captions, but now you're ready to go. You can teach some math, right? 4 plus 4 equals 8, all that good stuff. Whatever you need to pull up on your computer, it will display on your desktop. You can do what you need to do while having some closed captions. I've gotten some great feedback from my students about this. It's been really helpful for my English language learners, but also just my students who speak good English. Sometimes I talk really fast, right? So I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry to my students. I really do try to slow down. Sometimes I need to be more mindful of that. But it's just really great for them to look back at what I've already said and have some time to think about it. It's also nice because if I've given instructions on what they need to do, it's the last thing I've said, and hey, boom, it's typed out for me right at the bottom of the screen. So I hope your students benefit from those closed captions. If you found the video helpful, leave a like, subscribe. Mr. Otwell out. Peace.